On the Sunanda Pushkar, Visra has finally come out after 9 long months from the United States. And joining me at this moment is the man who had initially investigated this entire thing, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who's the HOD of the Forensics Department of AIIMS. So how do you see this? They are saying that radioactive material was not used. They are saying polonium has been completely ruled out. Your first reaction?
Actually, this post-mortem has been conducted by a competent medical board of the multiple doctors. And the report will be submitted by Delhi Police to the medical board. So first, the medical board will go through the report, whether it is only toxicological report or any histopathological report is also there. Then we can give any comment. The medical board will examine with open mind, including all the aspects of the findings of post-mortem report, which has been already given to the police officials. And the report of medical board is not mere an opinion. It is a speaking report with supportive medical facts with international standard of literatures. So again, if this report will come to the medical board will deliberate and it will give the opinion.
So you're saying that perhaps the Delhi Police would share that report with you and you will give your opinion. But what exactly on that poisoning part? It is being said that you had mentioned that one of the poisons could be polonium in that case, which is very, very rare. Are you in a way saying that your determination was, your final finding was that there is poisoning? Do you stand by that?
Yes, basically our post-mortem report, which has been given to the police in span of 2 days of post-mortem, clearly speaking that death is due to poisoning. Without even receiving the first or initial Visra report, because the opinion into the cause of death is purely prerogative of the doctors. And the report of these laboratories, which is called a chemical analysis report of forensic laboratories, are helping in nature to the doctor. These are required sometime, these are not required sometime. So if the doctor on medical findings on the basis of eliminating other causes of death, in case of sudden unnatural death, and he finds something conclusive that the death could be due to this, because death is not a prolonged scenario in case of sudden unnatural death. It is a sudden death. So there are findings in the post-mortem examination which confirm that death is due to this. And we conclude it on the basis of eliminating other causes of death.
Okay, one last question, sir, before I let you go. You're saying that yes, poisoning was the cause. You are standing by that particular report that you submitted to the police. But my question is, was polonium the only option that you had given in that report, or the domain is large? There could be 100 other poisons also.
Domain is much more large. The category of the poisons in the domain of non-detection are of 3-4 types. Some of the poison will never get detected by any laboratory of the world, like organic poisons, like drug like insulin. So there are so many poisons which could never be detected. It may cause death, but can never be detected in post-mortem examination. Some of the poisons could be detected with higher expertise, but death is there. It has to be concluded. So on the basis of the medical finding in post-mortem examination, it is practiced in Indian legal system, which is accepted by the Honorable Supreme Court in many cases, that the medical opinion is sufficient to accept as cause of death after eliminating and after giving reasons why the opinion is given as cause of death.